Let's go inside the template details, and below this video you are going to be able to find all these texts and this HTML markup. Well, in this case will be all this XML markup, but it will be really similar to HTML markup. We are going to go below. Hold on, let me double check. Yes, we are going to go below this one in here, this field, and it will be the caption enable. So let's click down there and Control V. Let me click in here, backspace, and the same in here, delete and delete. And as you can see, let me Control S to save and upload everything. Going back in here, then the templates, and we are going to upload the new template details. Right here, click upload and click OK. Now before continue, you will need to double check that everything will be working fine. So you will need to refresh your Joomla administrator and go inside the template that you are modifying. In this case, the name of my template will be CMS Mobile, and in your case will be the CMS Teachings. So you will need to go to CMS Teachings, and I am going to go to CMS Mobile. Again, I am working inside Extensions and Template Manager, just in the case that you are wondering where I am. If you did everything right, you are going to be able to see this new default template color. You are going to be able to make a selection inside all these templates. Right now, don't change anything in here because we will need to create all the styles behind these other templates, and especially the brown and the blue. Let me go back in here and explain you a little bit. Now when you make a selection in here, this will be what you are going to be able to see inside the administrator. When you click, for instance, if you make a selection on the brown, let me go back, make a selection on the brown, what will happen is that this template will be selected and you are going to be able to use this PHP code to make a selection in here, and this specific PHP code will be changed to the name blue, gray, and brown, and as a consequence the CSS will be changing. Okay, now let me show you what you are going to be doing in here. Going back in here, let me go to my template. Right now what you are going to be doing will be making duplicates from all these CSS styles. And these duplicates, let me show you, make a selection, right click, and 7-zip, well, not 7-zip, copy, and right click and paste. All these are going to be changed. Let me show you blue. We are going to start with blue. Then down here we are going to change this one, blue IE7. Let me eliminate the copy name. The next one will be the same, blue, and we are going to click enter, and finally the IE7 blue, and eliminate all these. So as you can see, now we are going to have new CSS styles from the blue template. You are going to be doing the same to create the CSS styles for the brown template. Let me show you. Right click, going back, CSS, CSS, and upload the new blue styles. Right click and upload. Again, you are going to be creating the brown template styles in the same way. Let me go back, and if I go right now, let me click save and close so I can make default this template. Let me click in here, make it default. Then we are going to go inside the CMS, well, the template that we are modifying. Now if we go to the template and inside the front page, let me click refresh, we are going to go back to the gray template. And if I right click and view page source, let me show you what we are going to have. If you notice, we are going to have gray CSS, gray IE 9, and Internet Explorer 8 and 7. Now see what will happen if we change all this to the blue template, click Save, and we are going to refresh. Now right now you are not going to be able to see the changes and especially the colors because we will need to change the CSS styles in here, okay, and all the images behind that template. But let me right click and view page source so you can actually see that the template functionality, it is going to be working. Now we are going to have the blue.css, the blue for Internet Explorer number 9, 8 and 7. As you can see, that's how we are going to be applying this magic template strategy behind these templates. My friends, for this video that will be it, and start changing this template.